I actually look forward to when I open Rated Power and there's this tab that shows, oh, these are the new features of Rated Lab. Okay, let's do this. It's quite good. So I really like that. It's the most collaborative software that I've worked with so far. So my name is Chris Vincent Alidon. AboitizPower is a Philippine developer and independent power producer. We're one of the larger ones in terms of market share for installed generation capacity. I'm the Vice President for Engineering and Execution. I work in the renewables group, where we have entered the market with hydro and geothermal, and now we're doing a lot of solar and wind. Biggest challenge for us, our engineers were doing a lot of overtime. They were working up until 2 a.m. in the morning. It's really a product of being in a highly competitive industry where we need to have a certain kind of agility. So bulk of the work that our engineers are doing, which is highly time-consuming, is really the generation of the conceptual layouts. We would be doing, for a 100 megawatt project, like 4 hours to do a conceptual layout. That was life before Rated Power. Actually, some of the pain points that I realized we didn't have, I only recognized once we learned about Rated Power. So the ability to do rapid iterative designs, that's something that I only got to appreciate by seeing Rated Power in action. Software like PVSys we could only install on one computer at a time, and so we knew about cloud-based software solutions, and we were looking at something that could offer that to us. So that's the first one. The second one is it has to be robust. We are quite diligent in terms of the information that we give to our stakeholders and shareholders. The third one was, of course, the value cost trade-off. So it had to be something that generated a lot of value relative to the cost that to acquire the software. In terms of specific reductions in time needed for us to generate our output, for some of the things that we're doing, like PV layout, we were able to cut our generation times by as much as 95%. That's huge. The second one is, in complement with our other processes in development, with Rated Power, we were able to reduce the time it takes for us to do our engineering due diligence from 6 months to 4 months. That's a big value to us because it allows us to engage with the landowners who are very time sensitive. Personally, I really like the capability of Rated Power to estimate land development associated quantities. So that's powerful because it allows us to have the capacity to do more strategic front-end early contractor involvement, and that translates to us being able to build our projects much faster and decreases our risk for schedule overrun.